subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Ayesha again, and today I'm going to be reviewing a Claire's haul, which I came across amazing stuff. Okay, so yeah. So first of all, I came across this toy mini brands. I was just roaming around finding myself a toy mini brands or any mini brands series, and I came across this mini brands series 3. Series 3, and like this so like cute, and I'll try to get this ultra rare in here this time. Sorry, I wanted to do the satisfying part. Oh, okay. So this is so hard. Right. I can see the ball a little bit. Okay, with some editing, I am done. So here it is, our Super Bowl. Okay, let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. We're supposed to open it like this. Yes. Oh yeah. These are just some slices of mango again. Okay, so let's start opening it. What is it? It's a rack with some stickers. You have to assemble this. Okay. And what is this? It's the instructions for assembling our basket? Oh, it's a basket. Okay, so let's build it. Okay, so this is our final card. Look, it is for maybe our stuff that we'll get from here. This stuff. Okay, so yeah. Next up, let's go in the next capsule. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's some money, and there's a collector's guide. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to spoil my stuff. And it's some slime. It's some slime for our dolls. And I feel something inside it. Let's come here. It's Exploding Kittens. It's a card game. Does it open? Oh, no. But it's okay. It's a card game. Like, it also has small things written over here. Okay. Oh, wait. And we're done. Down here. This is the card game. It even says little stuff for people who are into kittens and explosions. Okay. It's a nice game. That goes in our list right there. Let's come here again. Okay, it's almost our last one. It's our second last one. 3, 2, 1. What the heck? Some kinetic sand? What the heck? And it has an actual treasure box. Wait, does this come off? Does this thing open? No, it doesn't open. Okay, it goes on our list again. Now, almost this is our final capsule. Wait, what? It's so cute. She's so cute. Wait, it's an actual toy, an actual collection. Okay, collect them all. Collect them all. And there's a hand. Okay, they're saying it's a stretchy guy, okay? So, yeah, this was our capsule. Okay, so this is our collector's guide. Let's open this thing. Let's take it. Wait. This it's still there. Let me mark. Tick. Next market tick as well. Then we come downwards, and here's our quartz. More down, because here it's written 20. Okay, next I have this mirror, and it's so fluffy. I think it's actually made from crochet. I know that I'm supposed to show you the mirror from inside, but it will be a face reveal, so I can't show you. Next up is this Hello Kitty hat from the actual Hello Kitty company, and there's a Hello Kitty printed on it as well. So cute. Okay, so next I have this Platinum mini branch from the Disney series, and it is pretty like silver. So let's start. I hope it goes nice. Well, please. No. Now with the help of editing, I am done. So this is our ball. I didn't know it was white. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Okay, there's a collector's card. I'm not going to see it again. Oh my gosh. I can see so good stuff. Wait. Okay, so yeah, here. Okay, so it's the first bag. 3, 2, 1. I'm scared. Oh! Oh! It's a toy! Oh! It's a metallic one! Oh my gosh, it's a robot, and it says something in the back. Oh my gosh. Okay, they're saying we got the big guy, green guy, I don't know from where. It's from next on our bag is, I'm excited. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. It is something rare, maybe. It is Tiana. Oh my gosh, her crown. She's so pretty. Oh, okay. Take our next bag again. Oh, I'm scared. This might not be a double. Please don't be a double. No. Oh my god. It's a Star Wars minifigure. I love this character so much. Okay, next, the second last one. Scared, this might be a double because no, the box is kind of thin. This might be a double. No, it's not a double. Oh my gosh, it's from the Disney Animations collection. It is it's Tinkerbell as a kid. It's Tinkerbell as a kid. Oh, okay. When she was born, it was for that time. Let's put it aside. Okay, now the one and only. Last but not the least. Oh, I'm excited. It was a big one. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. It's Mickey Mouse's car with the remote control. It's an RC car. Oh my gosh. It's tiny. There's also a tiny Mickey Mouse in there. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. Like, look at that. It's an actual Mickey Mouse. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And there's actual suits and he's driving it. Oh my gosh. So yeah. So this was all, and now let's check out the collector's guide. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Did you see that? In the luxury category, we've got Mickey Mouse. Oh my gosh, we've got the Mickey Mouse in here. Okay. Got Mickey Mouse, I'm so excited. Okay, so from the common category, we got Tinkerbell. Common category, we also got our Cyberman. And from the common category, we got our Cyberman. Let me take it as well. We got the Queen. Let me take it as a yes. Take it as a yes. Did we get anything else? No, we didn't. Okay, let's go here. the blue guy. Let me take it as a yet. Let me take it. Okay, next up, I have this Squishmallow tiger from Winnie the Pooh, and I'm literally obsessed with it. Like, he's so squishy. It's the tiger from Winnie the Pooh, and for proof, I can show you my Squishmallow's tag right here. You can see there's also the same guy on there. And this is literally gonna stay on my desk forever. Forever, I mean forever. Like, she's so cute. Oops. Subscribe to my channel.